As the holiday lights come down and we settle into the quiet beauty of winter, there's something magical about transforming your farmhouse into a serene, neutral sanctuary. Today, we're exploring how to create that soft, cozy atmosphere using warm neutrals, natural textures, and timeless farmhouse charm. I'm so excited to share these ideas with you. If you love farmhouse design and creating inviting spaces, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. And please drop a comment below telling me your favorite farmhouse decor element. I love hearing from you. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. After removing Christmas decorations, focus on natural elements that celebrate winter's quiet beauty. Consider leaving evergreen wreaths on shutters or your front door, but swap festive ribbons for simple burlap or linen bows in cream or sage. Flank your entrance with galvanized metal planters filled with birch branches, pine cones, and winter berries. Add a vintage wooden ladder leaning against the porch with cozy throws draped over the rungs. The key is creating that lived-in farmhouse aesthetic that feels warm and welcoming without being overtly seasonal. Step inside to an entryway that's both functional and beautiful. A reclaimed wood bench with a distressed white finish provides seating while storing boots and shoes underneath in woven baskets. Above the bench, install a row of vintage iron hooks for coats and hats. Mixing metals adds character. Place a large leaning mirror with a weathered wood frame to bounce light and make the space feel larger. Layer a jute rug beneath a smaller vintage-inspired runner for texture and warmth. Add a ceramic bowl on the bench for keys and a simple pottery vase with dried eucalyptus or cotton stems for that perfect farmhouse touch. Your living room becomes a cozy retreat with the right neutral palette. Think warm whites, soft grays, creamy beiges, and touches of natural wood tones. This is where we embrace the concept of layering, a designer's secret to creating depth and interest. Start with a neutral linen sofa as your foundation, then build from there. The beauty of post-Christmas decorating is simplifying while maintaining that warmth we all crave during winter months. Natural light should be maximized, so keep window treatments light and airy using linen or cotton curtains in ivory or oatmeal tones. Choose furniture with clean lines and weathered finishes that embody farmhouse charm. A reclaimed wood coffee table with a whitewashed or natural finish becomes your centerpiece. Look for pieces with visible grain and character marks. Pair your sofa with a slip-covered armchair in natural linen or ticking stripe fabric. Add a vintage trunk as a side table for extra storage and rustic appeal. Consider a wire basket filled with cozy throw blankets in chunky knits and soft neutrals. The goal is creating a collected over time look rather than everything matching perfectly, which is quintessentially farmhouse. Textiles are where you create that irresistible coziness. Layer different textures for visual and tactile interest. This is called textural layering in design. Start with linen throw pillows in various sizes, mixing solids with subtle patterns like grain sack stripes or ticking. Add a chunky cable knit throw in cream or oatmeal draped casually over the sofa arm. Place a sheepskin or faux fur accent on your armchair. Use different weaves and fabrics: linen, cotton, wool, burlap, all in your neutral palette. This creates a sophisticated, cohesive look while keeping things interesting and inviting. Your farmhouse dining room should feel like a gathering place for intimate winter meals. A large farmhouse table in natural wood or distressed white becomes the focal point. Instead of elaborate centerpieces, embrace simplicity with a long wooden dough bowl filled with white pillar candles in varying heights, pine cones, and eucalyptus sprigs. Mix and match dining chairs, perhaps 4 matching with 2 different end chairs for that collected farmhouse look. Layer a linen table runner over bare wood, letting the table's natural beauty shine. Keep overhead lighting simple with a statement piece like a black iron chandelier or wooden bead chandelier. Set your table with understated elegance that works for everyday and special occasions. White or cream stoneware dishes provide a perfect neutral foundation. They're practical and timeless. Add natural linen napkins tied with twine or secured with simple napkin rings made from birch slices. Incorporate vintage silverware with a patina for character. Use clear glass or mason jars as water glasses for authentic farmhouse charm. Place small sprigs of dried lavender or eucalyptus at each setting. The key is understated elegance, making things feel special while remaining approachable and comfortable for daily living. Your farmhouse kitchen balances beauty with everyday functionality. If you have painted cabinets, soft white or warm gray creates that airy farmhouse feel. 4 wood cabinets. Embrace the natural grain with a light stain. Open shelving styled with white ironstone, wooden cutting boards, and vintage glassware adds visual interest. Replace colorful kitchen towels with natural linen or grain sack stripe versions. Add a vintage runner along the counter, and place a ceramic pitcher filled with wooden spoons beside the stove. Keep your small appliances in neutral colors. A cream-colored coffee maker adds nostalgic charm while blending seamlessly. Style your kitchen with purposeful vignettes that combine form and function. On countertops, create a coffee station with your small machine, a wooden tray, and white mugs on hooks. Place a vintage bread box beside your cutting board collection displayed vertically. Add a small potted herb like rosemary in a galvanized container near the window. Replace bright dish soap bottles with glass dispensers filled with natural soap. Inside glass front cabinets, arrange white dishes by size for visual appeal. The refrigerator stays streamlined. Remove magnets and clutter. These small touches create that curated farmhouse aesthetic without feeling overly styled. Your family room should be the ultimate cozy retreat. Position a comfortable sectional in soft gray or beige, facing your flat-screen TV, which can be framed with a DIY board and batten treatment painted in matching wall color to help it blend. Flank the TV with tall wooden shelves styled with books, baskets, and minimal decor. Add a large ottoman with a tray top for putting up feet or serving snacks. Incorporate plenty of throw pillows and soft blankets. Use table lamps with linen shades for warm, ambient lighting. This space embraces hygge, that Danish concept of cozy contentment, perfect for winter evenings. Carving out a multifunctional workspace in your farmhouse is essential for modern living. A simple wooden desk with a weathered finish positions near natural light. Choose a comfortable chair, perhaps upholstered in neutral linen, or a vintage wooden desk chair with a cushion. Add a small vintage radio for subtle background music and a unique desk clock in brass or iron as functional decor. Use wall-mounted wooden shelves above the desk for books and storage baskets. Keep the desktop minimal with a ceramic pencil holder, a small plant like a succulent, and a vintage-inspired desk lamp. This creates a productive yet peaceful workspace. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook, your personal escape. Position a comfortable upholstered chair or a small love seat in a corner with good natural light. Add a floor lamp with an adjustable arm for reading. Place a small side table for your tea or coffee. Style with a chunky knit throw blanket and accent pillow. Install floating shelves nearby to display your current reads and a few decorative objects like vintage books or pottery. Add a small basket at the chair's base for magazines. Consider a sheepskin rug underfoot for extra coziness. This intimate space embodies slow living, taking time for simple pleasures. Your farmhouse bedroom becomes a peaceful sanctuary with soft neutrals and natural materials. A wooden or upholstered bed frame in beige or gray anchors the space. Dress the bed in all white or cream bedding. Crisp white sheets, a linen duvet, and Euro pillows create that hotel luxe feeling. Layer with a chunky knit throw at the foot and accent pillows in varying neutral textures. Nightstands in weathered would hold simple lamps with linen shades. Add a vintage wooden ladder leaning against the wall as a blanket rack. Keep surfaces minimal. A small potted plant, a good book, and perhaps a vintage clock. Complete your bedroom with thoughtful details that enhance tranquility. Hang a large wooden framed mirror or simple wreath above the bed as a focal point. Use linen or cotton curtains in white or natural to filter light softly. Place a vintage rug in muted tones under the bed, extending on all sides. Add a comfortable upholstered bench at the bed's foot in neutral fabric for extra seating and charm. Include a small tray on your dresser with a candle, small jewelry dish, and bud vase with dried flowers. The concept here is restful minimalism, enough to feel finished, not so much that it's cluttered or busy. Transform your farmhouse bathroom into a spa-like retreat. If possible, incorporate a walk-in shower with subway tile in white or soft gray, and add a rainfall shower head for luxury. At the vanity or wastafel, replace colored towels with plush white or oatmeal-colored versions, rolled and placed in a wire basket. Add a wooden stool or small ladder as a towel holder. Use apothecary-style glass jars for cotton balls and soaps. Place a small potted plant like a fern on the counter. Install a vintage-inspired mirror above the sink. Keep a wooden tray with natural soap, a candle, and small eucalyptus bundle for instant spa vibes. Don't overlook your farmhouse garage. Functionality meets style here too. Install open wooden shelving with brackets in black iron for a cohesive farmhouse look. Use matching storage bins in neutral colors or galvanized metal for visual continuity. Hang tools on a pegboard painted in soft gray or white. Create a mudroom area if space allows, with hooks for coats and a bench with basket storage underneath. Keep the space clean and organized with everything having a designated home. Even utilitarian spaces benefit from thoughtful design. Add a vintage sign or small decorative element to maintain the farmhouse aesthetic throughout your home. Your farmhouse patio extends your living space into winter months. Arrange outdoor furniture with weather-resistant cushions in neutral tones, beige, cream, or soft gray. Add an outdoor rug in natural jute or a muted pattern. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Place lanterns with pillar candles around the space. If you have a covered patio, add an outdoor heater and keep cozy blankets in a large basket for chilly evenings. Incorporate potted evergreens or winter-hardy plants in galvanized containers. This creates an inviting outdoor room perfect for morning coffee or evening gatherings, embracing the farmhouse philosophy of indoor-outdoor living. Let's talk about key styling principles that pull everything together. First, embrace the rule of 3. Grouping items in odd numbers creates visual interest. Vary heights when styling surfaces. Tall, medium, and short items create dimension. Use the concept of negative space. Leaving some surfaces empty lets the eye rest and prevents clutter. Stick to your neutral palette but vary textures extensively. Shop your home first. Moving items between rooms often creates fresh looks without spending money. Remember that farmhouse style celebrates imperfection. Embrace patina, wear, and pieces with history. These timeless principles ensure your spaces feel collected and intentional. Keeping your neutral farmhouse beautiful requires simple habits. Establish a quick daily tidy routine. Fluff pillows, fold throws, clear surfaces. Vacuum or sweep regularly since light colors show dirt more easily. Rotate accessories seasonally while staying within your neutral palette. This keeps spaces feeling fresh. Clean and polish wood furniture monthly to maintain its beauty. Refresh white linens and slip covers as needed. Keep a donation basket handy to remove items that no longer serve you. The beauty of a neutral palette is its versatility and timelessness. These spaces won't feel dated, making them easier to maintain long-term. Simplicity ultimately creates sustainability in your design. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour through a post-Christmas farmhouse transformation. Remember, creating a beautiful home isn't about perfection. It's about crafting spaces that reflect your style and welcome the people you love. Start small, perhaps with one room, and build your neutral farmhouse aesthetic over time. Mix high and low, vintage and new, and most importantly, include pieces that tell your story. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us create more content for you. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh design inspiration delivered regularly, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love.